Hello children, Sai and welcome to the online session of science. Today we are going to do the revision of SA2. Okay, as you must be knowing now SA2 exams are approaching and so we will do the revision today. Here is the portion for SA2. Okay, lesson number 11, that is force, work and energy. Lesson number 12, the earth and the solar system. And lesson number 13, air, water and weather. You must be already knowing this, still I am just repeating it. Okay, so let us begin. See, here is filling the blank by choosing the correct option. Okay, as you know, whatever is the heading, filling the blank, choose the correct option, or answer the following, name the following. Okay, you have to answer by choosing the correct option. Okay, you already know all this, right children? So first one, to do work we need dash. Okay, and the options are force, energy, hands, muscles. Yes, so you must have guessed the answer. Answer is energy. One more thing I would like to tell you. You also have to note down the answers in the rough book so that you can check. Okay. This is the revision. You have to also do it with me. Okay. You also note down so that you can check it with me whether you are correct or not. Right. So here the answer is energy. Okay. Next one, we dash an object by applying force. Let us see the options. Can move, cannot move, can change the weight, none of the above. Okay, so we dash an object by applying force. Yes, very good. We can move an object, okay, by applying force. Right, children? Okay, next one. The energy that we get from the dash is called solar energy. Yes. And the options are wind, water, sun, air. Yes, very good. Solar energy means it should be sun. So the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Right? Next one. Force which pulls a body towards the earth is called dash. Yes, you must be knowing this also. The force which pulls a body towards the earth is called options. Let us see the options. Friction, gravity, tension, none of the above. Yes, it is gravity. Very good. Right, children? Okay. Next one. A football kicked by a boy rolls on the ground to some distance and stops due to force of dash. Yes, think over it. I read the options: gravity, friction, machine, none of them. Yes, very good. It should be friction. Yes. Okay, fine. Next one. See here, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. As I told you, whatever be the heading, you have to choose. Yes. Now choose the correct option. In this, you have to choose whether true or false. First one, sea and land breeze occur because of the sun. Yes, correct. It is correct. True. Yes, this occurs due to sun. Okay. Next one, rotation causes day and night. Yes, you know the movement of the earth. The earth moves around its axis. Okay, that is rotation, and it also moves around the sun. That is called revolution. Okay, so because of the rotation, days and nights are caused. Right, children? Okay. Next, when clouds become heavy with water droplets, it rains. Yes, this is also true. You know, in the water cycle, in the water cycle, you know, as the water evaporates, the water vapor condenses, forms the water droplets, and they join together and makes the and becomes a cloud. When these many more water droplets joins, and when they makes bigger clouds, okay, then it starts raining. When they become heavy, the water droplets becomes heavy, it starts to rain. Yes, Next one, the earth completes one rotation in 365 days. This is not true. This is false. Why? Because it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days to complete one revolution. Right, children? Yes. Next one. Our life would be much better if there were no friction. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is false. Why? Because friction is necessary for us. As I had told you in the explanation, friction is necessary. But sometimes it is also not necessary. Okay, but it is necessary because of friction only we are able to walk on the road. We can apply brakes to our vehicle. Okay, so all these things are good for us. Okay, though sometimes it is not good, so in some places friction is not needed, but we cannot do without friction. So this statement is false. The screw is a wedge wrapped around a rod. Yes, it is a true. Okay, it is a true statement. Next one, Mercury is the hottest planet. Yes, Mercury is the hottest planet. Tell me, it is true or false? It is also false. Why? Because Mercury is the nearest planet. Okay, while Venus is the hottest planet. Okay, so this is false. The Earth is the biggest planet. This is also false. Okay, because Jupiter is the biggest planet. Right, children? Next, see here you have to identify the figure by choosing the correct options. Okay, so let us see the options. First you see the figure nicely. Okay, and then you go through the options. Okay, and think all the options first. So first is inclined plane. Is it inclined plane, or is it wedge, or is it pulley, or is it wheel and axle? Okay, so yes, it is not inclined plane, it is not wedge, neither pulley. It is wheel and axle. Okay, so wheel and axle is the correct option. Right, children? Next one, here look at the picture. What is it? Okay, is it a water cycle? Is it a structure of the earth? Is it revolution of the earth or rotation of the earth? Okay, tell me. So yes, it is the structure of the earth. Yes, fine. Next one, see here, look at the picture nicely. Sea breeze, weather, water cycle or land breeze. Yes, it is a sea breeze. Why? Because it is a daytime. Sea breeze uh, flows in the daytime. So this is the correct option here. Right, children? Okay, it is not land breeze, or it is not a water cycle, neither weather. Okay, yes. Next one, again you see the options. Okay, is it pulley? See, the man is carrying the load, but he is doing it very easily. Why? Because of this machine. And which is this machine? This is inclined plane. Okay, it is not pulley nor wedge, neither lever. It is inclined plane. Okay, so because of inclined plane, the man is very easily carrying the load downwards. Okay, children? Next, here you have to again choose the correct option and name the following. Okay, the outer surface of the earth is called what? Mantle, core, crust or atmosphere? Yes, very good. Outer surface in the structure of the earth is the crust. Okay, children? Next one, dash changes from day to day and from hour to hour. So, season, weather, water, air. Weather changes. Okay, children? So, here weather is the correct option. Next one, sea breeze blows at evening time, daytime, night time, all the time. Sea breeze blows at daytime. Just now only we saw the diagram also. Right, children? Next one, the earth rotates around its dash, orbit, equator, axis or poles. It I told you there are two movements of the earth. One is rotation, another is revolution. So in rotation, the earth rotates around its axis. Okay, it spins around its axis. So it is in rotation, it moves around its axis. Okay, so axis is the correct option. Here now you have to answer the following by choosing the correct option. Okay, children? So tell me which planet is known as the red planet. Okay, whether it is Earth, Mercury, Mars, or Venus. Yes, Mercury is the nearest planet. Earth, you know, Earth is the only planet with the life on it. Venus is the hottest planet, and Mars is our answer because Mars is the planet which is red in color, which is also known as red planet. Okay, because red dust blows over this planet. Right, children? Next one, dash rises up in the air when it gets heated. Okay, so let us see the options. Water vapor, rain, ice, snow. Yes, correct. The option is water vapor. Why? Because as the water vapor uh, the water gets heated, it becomes water vapor, and it mixes with the air and it goes up. As it gets heated because of the sun, it rises up. Okay, right, children? And it is also lighter, so it rises up. Next one, the water changes to water vapor in the heat of the sun is called, yes, this is very simple, you must be knowing. Every time this keeps on happening, okay, and it is evaporation. Water vapor changing to the water changing to the water vapor. Water changing to the water vapor in the heat of the sun, okay, due to the heat. It is evaporation. It is not condensation or water cycle or rainfall. Yes. So next one, which of these is not surface water? You know what is the surface water? Like the water we see in the sea, river, lake. Okay, but groundwater is not the surface water. So groundwater is our answer. Right? Next one, see here. Now here what you have to do, answer the following by choosing the correct options. Here more options are there. Okay, you see. So now you have to carefully read the question. Think about all the options nicely. Then only you have to take the correct option. Right, children? So let us begin. See, I am reading. The sun is our main source of energy. The energy we get from the sun is called dash. The sun gives us heat and light energy. Dash use light from the sun to make food. When we eat dash, we get energy to do dash. So 4 blanks are there. Now let us see. First blank, the energy we get from the sun is called, yes, solar energy. Right, children? Next one, the sun gives us heat and light energy. Dash use light from the sun to make food. Who makes food by using the light from the sun? Yes, plants. Right? Plants. Okay, let us see further. When we eat dash, we get energy to do dash. What do we eat? We eat food. Yes. So when we eat food, we get energy to do what? To do work. So we should see for the option which is solar energy, then plants, then food and work. So let us see A, solar energy, plant, food. No. Plants, first is plants, solar energy, food, work. No. See, solar energy, plants, food, work. Let us see, called solar energy, plant use light when we eat food and we get energy to do work. So C1 is the correct option. Okay, let us see here. See, when we fit the answers, it is looking like this. The sun is our main source of energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. The sun gives us heat and light energy. Plants use light from the sun to make food. When we eat food, we get energy to do work. Okay, so C is the correct option. Okay, now see the next one. See here also you have to, there are more options. Okay, instead of not only one. So in coastal areas, the wind blows from sea to land during the day. This is called the dash. Okay, during the night the wind blows from the land to the sea. This is called dash. So you have to tell what is called what breeze should come in the first blank and next blank. Okay, so let us see the options. It is first is A is land breeze wind. No, because the wind blows from the sea to land is called sea breeze. Okay, so second option is having sea breeze, but another is weather, so that also will not do. Okay, so C1 sea breeze, land breeze, and next is land breeze, sea breeze. Okay, but it is during the day, so first will come sea breeze and then the land breeze. Okay, let us see. Look here. So if you apply C option, you will get answers like this. In coastal areas, the wind blows from sea to land during the day. This is called the sea breeze. During the night, the wind blows from the land to the sea. This is called land breeze. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, children, so you have to mark C option, right? Okay, so here we finish the revision. I hope you will do the revision in this manner nicely. You will learn all the lesson, all the notes, okay, and then prepare for the exam. Till then, I take your leave. Goodbye. Thank you.